Hi, I am Leyla Torres of origamispirit.com. I would like to invite you to join my live folding session. We will be folding this happy rabbit, which is perfect to feed a chocolate egg or some carrots. You can fold along with me live and ask questions. We will meet via Zoom on Saturday, March 23rd at 11 a.m. This is the time zone of the East Coast of the United States. This is what you need to do. Room for this session is limited, so you have to register. To do that, please follow the link that appears on this video. We still have some places available, but make sure that you register now so that you secure your place. See you on Saturday.